Hi, my name is Harrison, and I'll be talking about how to join a Zoom meeting from the Zoom desktop app. First, you'll want to create a Zoom account at zoom.com. Then, simply download the Zoom desktop app to your desktop. Notice that I keep mine pinned here in my taskbar. When you first log into Zoom, this is the screen that you'll see. From the home page, if you know the meeting ID that you want to join, click the Join button, and you'll be able to enter the meeting ID here. It's as simple as that. Most Zoom meetings come with a URL, so if your host has invited you to the meeting, you may also join by clicking the link that they've sent you. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Zoom meetings or other Meeting Tomorrow services, check out the links in the video description. We specialize in producing both live and virtual events around the country and are here to help.